Hi, I got another China mail. I opened one already, but they were actually 3 different stores, but I put it in one, so I just have to open this one. No. Oh, I almost cut in my canvas, I think. Just be careful. Yeah, I think oh no, I didn't. It was closed. So I got 4 packs. Let's start with the smallest. So I'm gonna start with this one. This one is my little owl. I think this one is so cute. It's 25 by 25. As you can see, it's a little owl with a butterfly. Standard kits. And let's take a look at the drills. No DMC codes. No. So what do we have? Purple. Then we have blue. Different kinds of blues. This one is a dark green. Brown. Another brown. This one I don't know the color. This one is black, I think. Then we have another brown. Another brown, a dark brown. Then gray. So we have, whoa, 20 colors for this small. Oh, that's many colors for this small. That was a good idea to do it like that, I think. And this will go better. I don't know why it doesn't. Can you see it? Am I the only one that has trouble to put them back in? Okay. I'll leave it like that. Okay. It's sticky enough. I think this one will go very fast. So a last look. Okay. Let's do the next one. This one is a white cat with blue eyes. And it's a 25 by 25 standard kit. And let's take a look at the drill. So how many colors? 11 colors on this one. Okay. We got a black, I think, grays, a lot of grays. Then we have a white, I think. Oh no, it's not a white cat, it's a gray one. Then we have a green, 2 greens, and a blue. That's for his eyes, as you can see. But I thought it was a white cat, but turns out it's a gray one. But gonna be beautiful as well. Okay, let's try to put it back. Okay. Oh, I forgot to show you. It's really clear, so yeah, all right. That's the second one. Okay, let's do this one. So this one is a husky. I don't know if I say it correctly. Standard kit. So this one has 12 colors. It's a 30 by 30. I think this one is gonna be beautiful. For the small size it is. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Alright, so the colors. Oh, this one has a DMC. I like it when they have the DMCs on. I don't know always the colors in English, so I'm just showing you the colors because I don't know the colors in English. So that's a really dark one, dark green. Then we have a brown, light brown. I think this one is a purple, or it's brown. With DMC 452. I think it's a brown one. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but this one is really full. Okay, then we have another brown. This one has not too many. Another brown. Then we have I don't know which color that is. And then we have our grays, a lot of grays, and this one is black, I think. Yes, this one is black. All right, just put it back. All right, I think it was like that. Right, and the canvas looks really clear, so I'm very happy about that. And these ones are all rounds, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, these ones are all rounds, so it's gonna, and it's sticky. All right. Oh, what is that? Okay. So that's my husky. Really happy about this one. This one I wasn't happy at all because in the description it says it was a full, and I got a partial, so it's just a hand. As you can see, it's just a hand I have to do. So I send them a message. Sender tray. I sent them a message, sorry, to ask them why it's not a full. And they told me they told me that it's supposed to be a partial. So normally they should have changed it by now, and they gave me back 50 cents. Yeah, I think it was something like that. So it has 12 colors. So it's a rainbow of colors. It's a red one, orange. Then we have a brown, dark brown, and 2 lighter. Then we have a green, lots of green. Then we have a blue one. Then I think that's a, no, it's not a black. Dark blue. And then we have another blue. So I wasn't too happy about it, that it was a partial. Yeah. I will buy this one from another store that has a full. So it was, yeah. You have seen all the packs, all the paintings I received. So I'll see you in another video. Bye.